Good morning, afternoon, and evening to all my YouTube family and friends. Welcome to Belinda's Country Living. Today I'm going to be showing you how to slice up a pineapple using a pineapple slicer. Now I purchased this on Temu, I don't know, about a month ago, and I have yet to use this. So I was gifted these pineapples in a food pantry haul. So I'm going to be slicing these up. So if you are new to my channel, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This helps keep the channel growing. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to remove the ends of the pineapple. Try to get it as evenly as possible so it will stand up. Let's remove the other end. Like that. And these, I got 3 of these pineapples. They appear to be a little bit on the small side. Okay, so this has little prongs on the end of it. Then the slicer part here. You want to take the center of this and line it up in the center of the pineapple, where the core is at in the pineapple. And you want to press down. As you're pressing down, you want to turn. It doesn't take a whole lot of pressure. Just keep pressing down until you get to the end. Just like that. Hope y'all are having a wonderful day today. Here in Indiana, I think they said it's going to be 80 degrees today. Keep twisting till you hit the bottom. And I'm almost there. Yes, I am there. So now you just want to pull it out. Now if you have trouble, if it doesn't come out, just give it a little jiggle back and forth. Just like that. Boy, that's a juicy one. Okay, so at this point, you want to take the handle off. Should pop right off. I got little buttons on this. And just pull it right off. And invert or turn it upside down. And it will slide right off. Look at that. Part of the core's in there. Just use something to push it out. Just like that. And there is the core. Now, how simple is that? Okay. Now, you can cube these, or you can leave them as slices. If you want them sliced, see how this just comes in a spiral? So if you want to leave them sliced, just cut down one side, straight down. And now you have slices. Just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and cube these. And I just cut them down 4, and you'll get your little bite size. Yeah. And you know, pineapple It's good for weight loss. Years ago, and I'm talking 25 years ago, I don't remember where I read it, but me and my sister went on this pineapple diet for 10 days. And you eat pineapple all day long for one day. And then the following day you can eat whatever you want. And you just keep alternating the days. Pineapple all day, food the next day, and so on for 10 days. And we lost 10 pounds. Quick way of doing it. Drink and eat all you want the following day of eating the pineapple and lose weight. So it worked, and pineapple is so delicious. If you're new to my channel, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and this helps keep the channel growing. I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful and blessed weekend. And remember, God is always good. No matter what, we can never thank Him enough for all His wonderful blessings that He bestows upon us. Until the next time, love y'all.